Welcome to our guide on IPTV reselling. Let's explore 2TV.store for amazing options. At 2TV.store, you'll find various IPTV packages. Start by selecting the best plan for you. Ensure you carefully read each package description. Once you pick a plan, proceed to purchase. After purchasing, you will receive your credentials. Now it's time to install your IPTV service. Don't worry if you have questions at this stage. Just contact Nancy for live support assistance. She will guide you through the installation process. She'll ensure you set everything up correctly. Once installed, you can explore your channels. Enjoy an extensive selection of shows and movies. Now let's talk about becoming a reseller. Start promoting your IPTV service to potential clients. Connect with your audience through various channels. Provide excellent customer service and support. Remember, a satisfied customer brings new leads. Track your growth and adjust your strategies. Your success as a reseller relies on effort. Stay updated with the latest IPTV trends. Join communities to share knowledge and experiences. Now you're ready to become a reseller.